The first two applications I'll be talking to you about will pay you just for installing them and will gradually generate some passive income. I'm going to show you three great apps that will help you stack up a little money on the side of whatever your full-time job is. If you want to make money from your phone without spending a dollar and without having any special talents or experience, pay close attention to every minute of this money-making video. The third app will pay you $600 for doing something that is extremely basic but that most people are unaware of. Sounds ideal, right? It is!
Now, hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below.
The first thing you should do is make sure you have a PayPal account because that's how you'll be paid. If you don't already have one, go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. It's incredibly easy and simple to sign up because all you need is your basic information, which you would normally enter when creating a social media account. It will be simpler if you already have a PayPal account set up because the ways we discuss on this channel use PayPal as the means of payment. Once you've completed that, let's look at our first app of the day. SMSapp.com. This is their official website, but since it's such a fantastic app, we'll just download it directly to our smartphone. Imagine making money with only your phone. You're going to give this website access to your phone number and they're going to start sending you random SMS. You don't even need to open them. They simply need to send you text messages. All you need to do is download it and start getting text messages from them to start making money. This is a really safe app and you don't even have to read it. Your data won't be taken away and nobody will spy on you or access any of your confidential personal information. You can easily make money from that and they won't do anything shady with your phone. I should note out that this particular software is only available to Android users. But don't worry if you have an iOS device. I've saved the best for last for you. Money SMS app is automatic. You make money with it passively without having to take any active actions on your part. They also have a really nice referral program where you can earn 30% of the earnings of people you refer. For example, if a friend signs up using your link and makes $100, you will receive $30 for free, completely passively. There are many ways to make passive income with this app, so go ahead and check it out. Read the reviews, look at the payment proofs, and of course sign up for a free account. You can also share your referral link anywhere and everywhere to make money, such as on Facebook groups, Instagram, or even just by directly messaging people that you think would be interested. The following app is called Cash Magnet, and you can access it by typing cashmagnetapp.com into your browser to get there. You can use it to withdraw money from your Android phone and it will pay you for every minute you do nothing. Because Cash Magnet brings together the best reward programs in one location, it offers the largest payouts. You don't have to do any tasks, watch any advertising, or play any games. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet and you can already buy another phone that works for you around the clock. Just like thousands of our satisfied users who do it by merely running the app. Earnings will come in an entirely autonomous and passive mode, so get ready to earn several times more. You can make money with your phone while doing nothing at all. And we can guarantee that your data and personal settings won't be utilized in any manner. Here are some helpful details about Cash Magnet. How can I use my points? It's an Android app that will let you make extra money while not using your phone. By visiting the rewards page, you may always exchange your points for gift cards to PayPal, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, or to reload a mobile phone account. How much money can you make? There is no universal solution because it truly depends on several factors, like your location, the Android version you use, the number of games you have installed, how long Cash Magnet runs on your phone, and whether your phone is rooted or not. Our top customers make about $15 per month on average, but only if you match the requirements outlined above. The more bonus points you can earn, the higher level you have attained. There are a few more facts on this page, but these are the most frequently requested, so I'll read them out first. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. This app is excellent for generating passive income on demand. And now it's time for our final and finest app for today, CurrentUS, which is accessible to both Android and iOS users and offers the highest payment of all three apps. As you can see, you will be compensated for occasionally listening to music. On their main website, you can find out how to make money while exercising, working, or doing anything else. You can now listen to music whether or not you're connected to the internet, which is especially awesome because you can do it while earning money. As you can see, this program is now available in both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Make sure you download and receive this exact app in order to earn money for iOS. The same app is also available for iPhone users. You can then redeem for cash literally by just downloading the app, listening to music, and earning more points. The more you play and listen to music, the more money you'll make. So in essence, you're getting paid to listen to music in your free time. This app has hundreds of radio stations, so you can just relax and enjoy listening to music while getting paid. And that concludes today's tutorial. If you learned something new today, please leave a comment and click the thumbs up button below. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you may receive a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching The Money Hustle. Goodbye.